Hey people, now considering till April 15th, 2020, it's a kind of a lockdown that's, in India, Telangana, where I stay. Uh, so I'm planning to utilize this time by speaking about, there's this healing group that I belong to. I mean, that I really, I it's literally like the Isha yoga of Japan. It's called Happy Science, and the founder is this gentleman called Master Ryoho Okawa, and he's been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records for having the highest number of New York Times bestsellers to his name. And he has over 2,500 books in print as of now. So now, through my videos, I want to whether I'll be able to read all 2,500 books of his in this lifetime, I'm not sure. But of the books I've read, I'd want to speak of and spread his teachings really, and what distinguishes Master Okawa from so many other thought leaders in today's time. So we'll start with this. I've already covered this book. It's called Interviews with Space People. Now, what attracted me to Master Okawa's works is the fact that did you know that what we call our planet is actually yet another. This is something my grandfather used to also tell me, and we used to discuss, when I was a child. Like, he used to say that why do we believe that only the Earth is the most unique life giving planet in the entire universe? I mean, there are so many stars, so many, the galaxy. So Master Okawa is one person who, through his meditation, has been able to, make contact uh, with beings who are from another planet. I mean, it's actually called dimension. How one would almost, if you were to read some of Master Okawa's works, if you type Ryoho Okawa on Amazon, you will find many of his books. He, the reason that all this is not science fiction is that he speaks of the fact that the other world, so to speak, is actually another dimension where, we here on Earth, time is something like Albert Einstein used to say, time is the biggest illusion there is. This is it's called the fourth dimension concept. People, the more in depth I go into this, it's you will think this is a lesson in physics, because it's as in fact it's as deep as a class in physics. It's not so, no. So what I find unique about Master Okawa's teachings are that it it opens your mind. Yeah, you realize that apparently here on Earth itself, uh, there are beings who've been born as humans. No, I'm speaking so much that it's see. So they have been sent on this planet to um, to kind of help with the evolution of this Earth. So such a unique concept, yeah. And this you can find in this book, Interviews with Space People. And I wonder if you find this on Amazon. But they every year we have this annual book exhibition that happens in near Necklace Road in Hyderabad. So that's where I picked this book up from. But Master Okawa, in my next video, hopefully I'll be able to. Oh my god, this is a 4-minute long video. Okay. I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.